Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a reverse double fanfold incline ice dye, and this is part 1. Start by centering your shirt using the sleeve inside the other sleeve technique. Once your shirt is centered, use a piece of chalk and a piece of string to draw out your pattern. Pleat along this line, making it as straight as possible. For this project, I'm going to secure it with kite string, and I'm going to pull the kite string very tight. The shirt that we're working on is the shirt that's up at the top, and I'm just sprinkling on some Out White Bright, and then I'm going to pour some boiling hot water on top. Now we need to rinse away all the out white bright. After you've rinsed it very well, squeeze out the extra water, and then you want to take it to some soda ash and soak it for at least 20 to 30 minutes. After it's done soaking in the soda ash solution, you want to squeeze out as much of the soda ash that you can. Sorry guys, I forgot to hit record. So this is an incline ice dye, so I have the shirt sitting down inside of a gutter, then I add the dye, and then I add some soda ash for good measure, and I put on the ice. So if you want, you can go watch another one of my tutorials. I do the same process for all of these double inclines. It's been 24 hours since the ice is melted, and now it's time for the rinse out. And as always, I start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fibers, and gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, which is a textile detergent that I get from Dharma. And then I do a third hot water cycle using Milsoft, which is a fabric softener that brings softness back into the fabric after the dyeing process, and I also get that from Dharma. And then I throw it in the dryer, and we'll come back and see our results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. And I don't like this shirt, not even a little bit. This is an eyesore. It's awful. I don't know where all the color went. During the rinse out, it looked pretty promising. The colors seem vibrant. So maybe ice dyeing is not the right technique for this because it has to be rinsed out after the out white bright, and then it has to be soaked in soda ash. It's just maybe way too much liquid going on. I don't even know. So there's good symmetry. I guess I can say that about it. The fold looks nice. What do you guys think of this shirt? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.